don't do this to me, please. I don't have anywhere to go to. I have no home. My husband has sponsored my account. He took everything from me, everything, please. Please don't do this to me. Consider my condition because I don't have Biko. Okay, let me leave my son with you.
Not on your life. Not on your life. Will you carry this bastard? It's not possible. Now, you should leave here.
Papa, please.
Please, Papa. Will you keep quiet? Now leave. Leave. Enough of all this. I said leave. Leave. Come, leave. Run. Idiot. No sense. Papa, you cannot do this now. How can you send my only sister away from the house? What is all this now, Papa? Idiot. I don't like this you are doing. Look, if I hear pain from you again, I will equally disown you. Idiot. Can you imagine? I'm not the talk of the whole town. The